So I'm making cauliflower mash. Let's get this a little bit closer. Right there. Yeah. Put this over here. Plug this in right here. So I got the cauliflower already boiling. The cauliflower is already boiling right here in the pot. Turn that off and strain it in the colander. Over here in the sink. We're done with that. So I need a big spoon, like this kind. So I got it in the colander, and I'm putting it in this Ninja. This is how I make cauliflower mash. I boil the cauliflower first with a little bit of salt. And I add garlic and dill weed and butter. This is how you have low carb mashed potatoes. That was one whole head of cauliflower. The butter is in the microwave. So this is one whole stick of butter. One whole stick of butter. Then I got some of this garlic from Dollar Tree. I don't front on Dollar Tree. I don't. If I can save $1, I'll go there to save $1. So I only have to spend $1. So that's a heaping teaspoon, 2 heaping teaspoons of minced garlic. And then I'm going to put this fresh dill weed in there. I'm going to put, I like a lot. So I'm going to put, that smells good. This one. Okay. It's a lot. Get all that. That's gonna be so good. Put the top on it. And I got the garlic, the butter, the dill weed. And I'm gonna mix it up and see how it tastes. I'm gonna jug it down with this spoon. Just jug it down some. Make sure it's all getting mixed. I'm gonna jug it down again with this smaller spoon. And this allows me to do a quick little taste test too. When you jug it down. Oh my God. Oh, that tastes so good. It tastes just like mashed potatoes. It's pretty much done. Like, I could probably put a pinch of salt, but I don't really even need that much salt. Because the garlic is giving it that bite, that little hint of a bite. I'm gonna just put like this much salt. Like this much. That's it. A pinch. Just a pinch of salt. So I'm gonna taste this on camera. This is the taste test. Yes. Oh man, that's good. One change I would make. The next time I will use fresh garlic instead of this garlic. The garlic is not bad. But because I got all that fresh dill weed in there and this fresh cauliflower, I can taste like something that's not as sharply fresh. You know, I can taste the difference. So I will use fresh garlic cloves instead of this. I like these from the Dollar Tree because I use these for when I make eggs and stuff in the morning, like scrambled eggs. Mix this in with some butter and some olive oil and dump the scrambled eggs in there. That's good. So, but other than that, this is done. Put my cauliflower mash on the side. Chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. Lord have mercy. Bon appetit, baby. Yes. I waited an hour and a half for this meal.